Wilkie panels are accompanied by accessories to offer a better finish. Simply measure the positioning of the required accessory, then cut the opening in the panel. It is recommended that you make the opening slightly larger by about a 1/4 inch. Use a concrete grinder or drill to create the opening when it is located in the middle of the panel. Attach the panel like a regular panel. Use construction adhesive or clear silicone to fix the frame in place. These accessories can also be used indoors.